Bonjour lovely beauties, I'm your host Diamond, and today this video is for all my women out there, or even men, who don't have a Valentine's or a secret admirer. Are you single, not ready to mingle, or single and maybe still wanting to have fun? Are you the type that just can't be tamed and you're not looking to be tamed? Well, I like to call this my anti-Valentine's makeup tutorial. If you're new to my channel, again, I'm your host Diamond, and I'm bringing you all the makeup tutorials, the latest trends, and even a few vlogs, and also Wine Talk Wednesdays segment that I just started, so stay tuned for that. Also, if you aren't subscribed already, make sure you hit that subscribe button, because if not, you're gonna be left out the loop. You're gonna be wondering like what's going on. Like, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Today I am starting off by using the NYX Jumbo Pencil in white, using it to prep the eye for all the glam we are about to create for this anti-Valentine's Day look. And going into the NYX Air palette, I'm using the pink color and starting off with using my Crown Crease blending brush to apply it in the upper part of my eyelid. And to make blending easier, I ended up using a blending brush. Using what I like to call the cookie brown color, I'm using this as a transitioning shade, and I'm simply using my blending brush and applying that right under the pink color that we applied earlier. And this also helps create a smoky eye effect, although we are not really doing a smoky eye, but yeah. And still in the Morph palette, I'm taking the color that I like to call Cocoa, and I am using my eyeshadow brush and using that to put the eyeshadow all over the rest of my eyelid. Going in with the Too Faced palette, I'm taking the color Licorice and using my blending brush to blend this color on the outskirts of my eyelid and also in the crease area. And this is just going to help kind of formulate everything and put it together so that it doesn't look color blocked and all crazy-ish. Taking the NYX Fire palette, I'm then going in with some of the red color. Using my blending brush, I'm taking that red color and simply lightly, and when I say lightly, I mean lightly, applying it over the pink color that we applied earlier. And going back to the Morph palette, I'm taking the darkest shade of brown that is in the palette and applying that to the inner portion of my eye. And get ready for the fun part, the red glitter. I'm just taking some eyelash glue and a Q-tip because it's easier to apply that way, and putting the glue in the inner tear ducts of my eye. And then I'm just going to take a small eyeshadow brush and simply apply the glitter wherever I place the glitter. And you can have as much fun with this portion as you like. You can go back and apply it all over the eyelid and make it into like a cut crease type of look, or you can just simply apply it to the tear duct area just to highlight the eye look. And while everything is setting in on the eye area, we're going to pause on that and just move straight into the foundation portion. And I'm using my Urban Decay All Nighter foundation. Of course, you guys know this is my favorite. And if you want to see my everyday makeup routine, because it hasn't changed in I don't know how long, just simply go to the description box and I'll have the link there. Going back to the eyes, I'm just taking some of the darkest brown shade that I use from the Morphe palette and applying it under my eye. And adding in the lashes from the Ardell Mink book, I'm using the number 811 and applying lashes to give this look a more dramatic effect. And while that's setting in, I'm just going in and adding some mascara to my bottom lashes. Moving on to the lips, I'm just taking a what should have been black lip liner, but instead I only have black eyeliner. I'm applying it to my lips because I want to create a ombre effect using it. And I'm just using my finger to blend out the lines from the lips, just so it doesn't look so harsh and just tacky. And then I'm going in with a pink nude lipstick from NYX. I believe the color is Soft Spoken, and I'm just blending that all together. And last but not least, I'm just simply contouring with my contour powder, and then I'm just going in with my setting powder that I use from MAC to just mattify the whole entire look and bring everything together. And then I go in and I add in a little blush just so I don't look so bare. And the last step is simply just going in with eyeliner. And if you've watched this video this far, please make sure you go and check out my actual Valentine's Day look. I promise you it's not as creepy as this. It's very subtle, very romantic looking, and I promise it'll have all the guys falling for you. And even if you're with someone, they'll fall for you even more. Thanks for watching, and tune in again.